Recently, I've been trying a really fun exercise on my Instagram where I try to translate a foreign song from one language I know to another. And as I'm making more, I realize, oh no, I can't do Swedish because I literally don't remember any Swedish. I don't think I've touched the Swedish language since probably 2015, where I learned Swedish on Duolingo, which isn't a good base to begin with. And then you pair that with not using it for years and years because I'm not following any kind of Swedish media. You pair that together and min svenska är inte so is that a Swedish word? I can't remember. Idag vill jag lära mig svenska. I just want to review my Swedish today. I don't plan to improve it. I just want to get back to that level that I was at, which was a pretty basic level, because if I tried to even translate a song, I would just completely use Google Translate. I cannot remember a single grammar rule or a single vocab word, except for maybe jag älskar dig. So today I'll be going through my Swedish textbook and just reviewing the basics of the grammar, trying to remember all that I forgot. Problem is I don't have a audio component, so we'll figure it out, right? Okay, I remember verbs don't change their ending. I remember that much. En häst, hästen. En katt, katten. Okay, I remember that. Definite is actually a suffix in this language, similar to Bulgarian. Okay, I don't remember any of this. Oh, I should write the pronouns because I don't remember the pronouns. Ja, du, han, hon, den, det, vi, ni, dom. Oh, I remember prepositions. Numerals. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't. Okay. When does a sound become hu or sh? I think K becomes sh, and then SU becomes hu. Oh, I can't remember. Good. Is that good or your? När. När is my favorite word in Swedish, by far. När. Man, that's just the same as German. Also SK, SKJ, STJ, SCH, or CH. So sh. It's all sh. Oh god, I don't understand when to make the sound. TJ's voiceless counterpart? Oh my god. Sure. Oh my god. Hate this so much. But it's coming back to me little by little. Swedish is det svenska är inte bra för mig. Och jag vill practica min svenska mer. I don't know what I'm doing. Swedish is an interesting language, and it's interesting to get another view on it after I've learned German. I learned Swedish before I learned German, but many years have passed, and I know German better at this point. So it'll be interesting to look at this language with a new set of eyes. Basically, I think I'm going to put some more effort into Swedish. I don't plan on increasing my level, but I just want to go back to that level I used to be at. I don't know, Swedish is hard, and I need to hear it being spoken because they have weird emphasis and weird pitch accent, and they have weird hu and sounds, and I don't get it. So I need to do some Swedish listening practice.
Slut och ställningstagande som görs på både EU-gemensamt men också på nationell politisk nivå, så gäller det verkligen att vi kan gå hand i hand i detta arbete. Teknik också väldigt centralt. Utan utveckling, utan innovation, då kommer vi aldrig till att kunna skapa
So that's that on that. I don't know what's happening there. Um, I guess I need to practice more Swedish because I don't know anything. It's all looking very familiar to me. I have no idea what that man was saying. I didn't get a single word, but it's seeming a little familiar to me. So I think with time, I'll practice a little more and I will restore my Swedish to its previous glory. So I guess that's all I'll be showing today. I think my brain is a little exhausted after so much review and so much Swedish men saying things I don't understand. So I guess that'll be all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again for another video soon. Okay, bye bye.